Hello, students. Welcome back to your history class. So, today I wanted to do a run through with the map work. Map work can come out of all the four chapters that we have learned. All right, so I'm going to be showing you map work of chapter 2 and map work of the three orders with you today. All right, uh, I want you all to pay attention carefully. So in three orders, the mapper can, we can ask, I can ask you any of these towns, and you will have to mark these on the outline, on the political map of the world. Okay, I'm not talking about a particular country, although over here we learned it on the Western Europe or a part of Europe or in Africa. But when we're going to do it, you're going to get an outline map of the world. So please keep a political map of the world ready for your examinations. Make sure you have enough, okay, so that you don't have any trouble that day. All right. So, and you should know the rules of the map work. I will share them with you too. All right. So basically, point pen to leave. All right. So the rules are you will only use a black ballpoint pen to label any places, and all your marking has to be in capitals, compulsory. Has to be in block capital letters only. You will use the correct symbol or you will use a color key to indicate your markings. All labels, all your markings has to be horizontal, and you have to use arrows very wisely. You will keep your atlas open while marking when you're practicing at home, but not during an examination. You will use your color pencils aesthetically when you have to color code location. All right. Uh, Write these down, write these rules down, remember them, by heart them. These rules stay same for 11th and 12th. Okay. Now, what I want you to mark. So on your map, I want you to mark London, Paris, Saint Denis, Madrid, Vienna, and Rome. These were the important cities and towns. Next, I want you to mark these countries, that is England, Normandy, Gaul, Burgundy, Spain, Portugal, German states, Austria, Italian states are Sardinia and Corsica. You are going to mark these in your world map, political map of the world. And finally, you will do these seas, okay? You will do the Atlantic Ocean, North Sea, uh, Adriatic Sea, Baltic Sea, and Mediterranean Sea. I have a few of it marked on this political map of the world, but it is not very clear. So I want you all to be marking these. Now, okay, so London has to be somewhere over here in the United Kingdom. You're going to mark London. This is not showing me uh, it's not showing me uh, the towns and the cities. It's only showing me countries. So if we look at the countries, we have to mark England, Normandy, uh, Gaul. Let's find them. So United Kingdom and England will be the same. You look at Burgundy. Okay, so you have to mark the countries. The towns are London, Paris, Saint Denis, Madrid, Vienna, and Rome. So London will be here in the United Kingdom. Paris is going to be here in France. I hope you're able to see these. So I'm just going to be marking the ones that I can see on the screen. So you can start marking those. Then there's Paris, there is Austria, we have Rome, Madrid, also Spain, also Spain was there. Uh, Then you have the seas over there. Yeah, you even had Vienna. Okay, so we have also we have France, you have England, then you have Berlin, you have Austria, Vienna, Italy, Rome. All these have already been marked. We know them. Besides these, we do have other towns and cities as well. So we have Saint Denis and we have uh, Bingen. So I'll help you locate that. We also have the North Sea, which is over here. You can see the North Sea. Then we have the Baltic Sea also. Then you have the Atlantic Ocean, uh, Atlantic Ocean. Then you have the Mediterranean Sea and the Adriatic Sea. So here is the Mediterranean Sea. Even the Red Sea, you should know. This is the Adriatic Sea over here. This is the Mediterranean Sea, Adriatic Sea, Black Sea. Yes, Black also you have to know. Black Sea. And over here we have the North Sea and the Baltic. All right. Now, I have one more video to share with you all. So basically, we have done this is chapter two's map work. The second map is for knowledge. It will not be included, but you should. I have shared a map work that time also, and that map work you have to do. Most of these map works are there in your textbooks. The maps are given to you. So I want you to look at those maps and practice them. like I showed you in the Google map also, you can use it to locate, but always cross check with an atlas, and please start marking on the world map, world political map. So with this, I end the map work part of the revision. Meet you next class where we will discuss the nodes of the third order. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, take care, keep learning. Thank you.